of our elevator at Edgar Rehabilitation Center, Naperville, Illinois. This is a U.S. What's on 2? Can I go to 2 when you get off?
Garbage can.
I wonder if this elevator's getting modernized. Get inside.
Yeah, you have to let off on them too.
I know. Go to lower level.
What's it?
See the modernized.
Why do we always go to the employees? Put your hands over there. Alright, here you go.
Nope, it's still not. Oh, they changed it. Look. Oh, they changed it. Oh, they're gonna change the fixtures inside here too. Changed it. Which my brother did one time. See that? It was Christmassy, huh? Here we are on 1. I'll show you out. What is harmonizing the up button? Harmonize the up button. Okay, it says 1 out there. On the fan, it says 1. We're on 2. Let's see if they modernize it up here. Here we are. Nope. They got it on lower level though. Watch the button go out. There's 1. We are on lower level. Here we are. Let's see proof. They changed it. They changed it. Let's go check the other elevator. See if it's modernized down here. Well, they put gram over it.
I think they're in, honey. There you go.
It's hard to wear.
Come on.
Oh my gosh, they closed it all off.
Yeah, they did.
That's it.